Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to look at Rubi KYC update, how to get invitation for the Rubi KYC. If you're mining this project, you need to pay extremely attention to this video so that you understand what you need to do. And you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more updates. So the first thing you need to do is that you must make sure that you are active. You must be active on Rubi so that you can receive the invitation. And another thing is you must set your information. Many users has not really set up their information. So how then do you want to receive invitation when your data are not in place? So you have to click on your profile here. Once you tap on your profile, you can now see my information. You must make sure you fill your data the way it is in your document, like your NIN or whichever document you are using. Make sure you fill it correctly so that once you get invite, you will not be having issue of different name, different date of birth and all that. So once you click on my information, you can now see you need to put your last name, your last name. You need to make sure that everything is correct, because once you put it, it will save automatically. You can't edit. The only thing you can edit here now is your username. So you must make sure that your information is accurate so that you will not make a mistake. You have to put your gender, your date of birth, your email, your phone number, your country and your address. So this is what you have to put in place so that Rubi can give you an invitation for the KYC. And once you are done that, let's go to the next thing you need to do. Now after that, you have to make sure that you transfer some Rubi to your wallet. You have to create a wallet. If you have not created a wallet, I've made a video on that. I'll also show you how to create a wallet. You need to create a wallet. Now, this is how you create a wallet. You click on this wallet icon. Once you tap on the wallet icon, I have already funded my Rubi account. So you can now make sure you have at least 5 Rubi in your account. Preferably, how to create account. For those that don't know how to create account, you click on this setting icon. Once you tap on it, you can now see, let me switch wallet so that you will see it clearly. I'll switch wallet. Once you switch wallet, this is how to create an account. You need to add a new wallet. You need to add a new wallet or you create. If you have not created a wallet before, you will see create a wallet. Create a wallet, save your recovery phrase, both the scan code, the seed phrase. Make sure you save it. Let's assume I click on this add new wallet. It's me. So you are going to read all these things, blah blah blah. Then you click on continue. Now warning, just follow this process and register or create an account. It is not difficult to do. Just register, be reading it and you get information. I don't want to create an account again. I already have account 2 and 3. So what we are going to do is, after creating that account, the account, you go over to your settings. See the setting, you click on this setting again. This is when you have done creating your account. You must set a pin. You click on pin setting. You must set a pin so that without this pin, setting a pin will enable you to transfer or send out some Rubi to another account. So you must set a pin. Now you say create a new pin code or change pin. At this point, you don't have a pin, you have to create a new pin. Then I'm going to do that and we will continue. So once you are done creating the pin, you put the first pin, you confirm it, then you click on apply. Can you see update successfully? I have now successfully created a pin. So if I want to transfer my Rubi to another person, I will use that pin. So it is very, very important you create a pin setting. So now the next thing you need to do is to keep on checking, keep on being active on your B. Now you can now see user information, you can now see eKYC not verified, continue. You must complete ownership information over 30 days. Now you must export at least 30 Ruby. If you have more than that, good and fine, then you are going to receive KYC, which is 1.5. And after doing all these things and you have not yet gotten invitation, do not panic. You are not the only one. A lot of users have not gotten the KYC invitation for 1.5, and it is not something to worry about. All you have to do is to keep on being active. Make sure that you are active. You have to be active, and also you must stick to one location. You must make sure you stick to one location. If you are, before you start mining, you will see different location: Abuja, Lagos, Nigeria, fire, earth, water, and all those things. Make sure you stick to your country. Make sure you stick to your country. If you are using Nigeria, make sure you stick to your Nigeria, that any mining session you will start, it must be from Nigeria. If you are sticking to Lagos, make sure you stick to Lagos. Any time you want to restart your mining, so make sure you stick in one particular location. And if you want to buy Ruby that you will send to your wallet, I'm currently buying and selling. You can reach out to me on my WhatsApp, and I will sell you Ruby at the best rate. So that is it for this video. I hope you have got value from this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you, guys.